This video is for Stages warranty and technical support of Spyren at Rev Cycle and Eagle Rock. We've got a fleet of Stages bikes here. So we have an issue here. I got the knob on the seat slider adjustment was malfunctioning. So I disassembled it. We had some problems before. And here I see that this washer is improper size, and see it slid over the top of this little notch here. So what I need is I need one of those washers, the proper washers. I'll include a photo in this warranty email with the proper size washer, but this is like kind of dumbfounding how assembly would put the wrong washer during assembly of the bike. Just kind of surprising. Quality control, I guess.